In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access apps. Then select the dual apps and hit Create at the bottom. Now you can click on one of those sweaters next to one of those apps right away to clone the chosen ones, and select Turn On in the pop-up. To clone one of the recommended apps, click on the chosen one, select the gray sweater next to Dual Apps feature and wait. Then adjust all of those options under Personalization, like Share to Facebook. So when I go back and check my apps, I can see that both of them were successfully cloned. In order to delete those clones, go back to the same settings. Click on blue sweater next to Dual Apps and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Or click on the sweater next to one of your apps and confirm your choice in the same pop-up as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!